Are you tired of cramped spaces? With the Samsung side-by-side refrigerator, you can now make space for what matters most. It's an energy-efficient family fridge that is so spacious, it doesn't only keep your food, it also makes space for more memories. Here are the 5 things you'll love about the Samsung side-by-side refrigerator. First, we have the all-around cooling system. It continually checks the temperature and blows out cool air. It cools the fridge evenly from corner to corner so every item of food stays fresher for longer. And then, their style gives your home an elegantly sleek and sophisticated look. The clean and contemporary design of the Samsung side-by-side refrigerator features a minimalist, beautiful flat door with recessed handles. It also has a stylish front LED display, so it's easy to access functions and monitor the refrigerator status. Third great thing about it, it's a huge power saver. Enjoy great energy efficiency, little noise, and a long-lasting performance. The digital inverter compressor of the Samsung side-by-side refrigerator automatically adjusts its speed in response to cooling demand. This way, it is quiet, uses power efficiently, and keeps working for long, backed up by the 10-year warranty on the compressor. Another thing that we love about this fridge is that it cools fast as it keeps your food fresh. At the touch of a button, the power freeze function automatically sets the freezer temperature to the lowest level and delivers a fast blast of intensely cold air into the freezer. Great for freezing or firming up frozen food and making ice quickly. And lastly, it really has great value for money. With all the high-tech, cost-efficient, and energy-saving features compressed in a visually aesthetic and sleek exterior, backed up with technology and innovation powered by the top global brand, Samsung, you can finally get the refrigerator upgrade that you have been waiting for. When we make more room for food in our home, we are also making more room for more meals and more memories with those who are dearest to us. And as our family grows, the Samsung side-by-side refrigerator is here to accommodate our storage needs. Make the right choice and upgrade your kitchen with the all-new Samsung side-by-side refrigerator, available in leading appliance stores nationwide and online at samsung.com/ph.